Top 6 Best Electronic Drum Kit for 2022. Our top picks. Hello peeps, today we'll take a look at the best electronic drum set in the market. I made this list based on my favorite, and I'm trying to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the up-to-date prices and more information about these excellent electronic drum sets, you can check out the link in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. Donner DED-200. The Donner DED-200 is an E-drum set designed for beginners and budget-conscious drummers. After setting it up and playing it, the build quality of this kit looks pretty decent to me. Its pads and basic module make for a respectable entry-level drum kit for any beginner drummer, especially considering the price. Donner DED-200 electric drum set with the more delicate 8-inch all-mesh drum head, providing natural stick resistance and rebound for an ultra-satisfying feel and response. Like drum heads on acoustic drums, you can tweak the tension to your preference with a standard drum key, helping you practice as a good drummer. The silicone cymbal has a stable and well-distributed tone response at any cymbal position. The iron metal stand is more durable and safe, with an innovative fold-up stand design for transport and storage. Number 2. Alesis Drums Nitro. The Alesis Nitro Mesh electronic drum kit includes an 8-inch dual-zone mesh snare, 3 8-inch single-zone mesh toms, a 10-inch dual-zone crash, 2 additional single-zone cymbals, a hi-hat controller pedal, and a complete 4-post drum rack. Also included is the Alesis DMPAD kick pad, featuring a robust pressed steel housing, anti-creep spikes, and a single-zone surface. Partnering the kick is a chunky kick pedal with an essential cymbally key, drumstick and manuals. Only a few strikes of the quality mesh pads reveal the kit's acoustic drum-esque properties, particularly with rim shots and cross stick. The same goes for the crash, which is capable of impressive chokes. The Alesis Nitro Mesh includes an 8-inch dual-zone mesh snare, 3 8-inch single-zone mesh toms, a 10-inch dual-zone crash, 2 additional single-zone cymbals, hi-hat controller pedals, and a complete 4-post drum rack. A competitive price tag makes an excellent value first drum kit or a great cheap practice kit. Number 3. PAXCESS. If you are new to an electronic drum pad, you need to consider this brand, and it is one of the best in the market. One thing that makes roll-up drum kits very useful is their portability. You can take most of them and fit them in any room, and they will fit just right. But the industry has come far. If you want your child to enjoy drumming, you need to get them something that is down to their level, when they get encouraged and motivated when they play without straining. The drum kit, for instance, is more of a tabletop play toy that acts as a drums kit. You can unfold it in front of your toddler, on the floor or the table, and watch as they enjoy hitting the pads. The electric drum set for kids has all beginners' needs to learn timekeeping, coordination, and styles. They can use any surface, but the drums make it more real. There must be the correct number of drum foot pedals. This means you want a kit that comes with the bass, the snare, and the toms. When they start real drumming, they must discern how different drums sound with a given hitting intensity. The cymbal pads are necessary too. The right beginner E-drum kit should come with the ride, the crash, and the hi-hat cymbals. This drum kit comes with a large number of onboard sounds. It is therefore a perfect tool to get your kids learning all they need about drumming. Number 4. LyxJam. The LyxJam 8-piece electronic drum is an excellent gift for any child interested in music. The drum set comes with everything needed to start playing and even comes with 70 songs to get the child interested in playing music. The set has 448 sounds and offers a good variety of sounds for a drum set of this size. If you have a child who loves music and has been asking for a drum set, we recommend this product. The quality level is better than most sets I used to sell at Guitar Center for twice the price or more. Volume by itself is not as loud as I would like it, but it is very loud through an amp. The song selection is limited and most are not for beginners. Number 5. Pyle Pro PTED06. Are you looking for an excellent and pocket-friendly electronic kit? The Pyle Pro PTED06 electronic tabletop drum machine could be the answer to your search. This kit comes with impressive features that will offer you an excellent drumming experience at a very affordable price. What's more, you can set it on any flat surface and start to play it right away. With this kit, you can choose from 300 preset sounds. More intriguing is that you can edit and save your records for self-assessment. Additionally, you can connect this kit to a computer for further editing and mixing. The Pyle Pro PTED06 electronic tabletop drum kit comes in a compact design. It is flexible and can work on batteries like other portable kits. The electronic drum can generate over 300 sounds. Also, the digital kit comprises 7 sensitive pads and 2 foot controllers. The tom-tom, snare, cymbals, hi-hat, and the kick are included here. The electronic drum kit has 65 banks, computer connectivity, and 120 songs. You can also adjust the tempo, rhythm, EQ, and volume as you play. Number 6. Asmuse. Asmuse is one of the best electronic drum sets for your kid to explore musical adventure. The drum set features stereo dual speakers that allow your kid to share music with friends. The speakers are quite loud, and they produce a crisp sound. Moreover, the volume of this kit allows for 10 different levels of adjustment. It is suitable for playing in any environment, whether indoors or outdoors. This musical instrument also comes with a headphone jack. Your kid can play until late or night, or even in an apartment, since they can use headphones. This feature makes it a very convenient kit. This kit also comes in a roll-up design. This means you can easily fold it up when not using it, and comfortably store it. This feature eliminates the stress that comes with the storage of drum sets. It also makes it appropriate if you do not have enough space for a complete kit. The sound quality of this drum set will also impress you. Although it is more of a beginner's kit, it sounds more like a real kit. Moreover, its top hat also changes sounds according to the pedal you push, just like the real kit. Furthermore, this drum kit allows you to play background music and record what you are playing. This feature is usually found in more advanced kits and helps learn drumming. It allows you to play back what you have recorded and listen to your drumming. What's more, you need not worry about power. This kit comes with a rechargeable lithium battery. As such, you will have to buy disposable batteries. Okay, that's all for today, guys. I hope you liked the video. Please tell us which products you'd like us to review next in the comments section. And don't forget to check the description box for all the buy links of products featured today. Thank you.